Join me as I take on the challenge of testing the all-new 2025 Mitsubishi Galant and see if it really lives up to the hype. The 2025 Mitsubishi Galant is making a comeback, and it's got everyone in the car industry buzzing. After years of absence, Mitsubishi has decided to bring back one of its most iconic models. This sedan has a rich history, and its return is significant not just for Mitsubishi, but for car enthusiasts around the world. The Galant was once a staple in the mid-size sedan market, known for its reliability and performance. Its absence left a gaping hole in Mitsubishi's lineup, and fans have been eagerly awaiting its return. The question on everyone's mind is, can a new Galant live up to its predecessor's legacy? Mitsubishi's been tight-lipped about the details, but we've got some exciting info to share. The new Galant promises to bring back the excitement with a fresh design and cutting-edge tech. We'll dive into all the juicy details, from its performance specs to its innovative features. Mitsubishi's faced some tough challenges in the competitive sedan market. With the rise of SUVs and crossovers, sedans have taken a back seat. But Mitsubishi's determined to make a statement with the Galant's return. The brand's been working hard to revamp its image, and the Galant's a crucial part of that plan. The sedan market's more crowded than ever, with heavyweights like Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai vying for dominance. Mitsubishi's got its work cut out, but the Galant's got some tricks up its sleeve. Its comeback's not just about reclaiming lost ground. It's about taking the market by storm. Mitsubishi's invested heavily in the Galant's development, and it shows. The new model's sleek design, advanced safety features, and powerful engine make it a contender. But how does it stack up against its competitors? That's what we're here to find out. The Galant's design is a major departure from its predecessors. It's sportier, more aggressive, and sleek. The new look's sure to turn heads on the road. But it's not just about looks. The Galant's also packed with cutting-edge tech. From advanced infotainment systems to innovative safety features, it's got it all. Under the hood, the Galant's got some serious muscle. Its powerful engine delivers impressive performance, making it a thrill to drive. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty roads, the Galant's got the goods. And with its smooth handling and responsive steering, it's a blast to drive. So what sets the Galant apart from its competitors? For starters, its bold design and advanced tech make it stand out. But there's more to it than that. The Galant's also got some major innovations under its belt. From its eco-friendly engine to its advanced safety features, it's a car that's ahead of its time. One of the most exciting features of the Galant is its advanced driver assistance systems. With features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, it's a car that's designed to keep you safe on the road. And with its intuitive infotainment system, you're always connected. The Galant's fuel efficiency is another major selling point. With its eco-friendly engine and aerodynamic design, it's a car that's easy on the wallet. And with its impressive performance specs, you don't have to sacrifice power for efficiency. In a market crowded with sedans, the Galant's got some stiff competition. But with its innovative features and impressive specs, it's a car that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just looking for a reliable ride, the Galant's worth checking out. The 2025 Mitsubishi Galant's a game changer, and we're excited to see its impact on the market. With its bold design, advanced tech, and impressive performance specs, it's a car that's sure to make a statement. So what do you think about the new Galant? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more automotive reviews, be sure to check out our other videos.